My name's Apoorva Rangan. I go to Harker High School, and I took the Excel test prep course last summer and got a perfect 2400 on the May 2014 SAT. I would recommend Excel to all my friends because I think it offered a really good time to get focused on, strategies and goals for the test, and it was a good time to dedicate exclusively to the test. So actually, the day that I found out my scores, I actually had family in over the weekend visiting from out of state. So I was trying not to think about my scores too much that morning. I was planning to open it after they left on Sunday and maybe look at it on Monday morning or whatever. But I decided to check them out and it turned out pretty well. I think my uncle was closest to me at that time, so he found out first. And then my mom, my sister, they all found out, and it was a good morning. So I think, a certain part of it is how well prepared you are, as far as the academic topics of it, but it's also about, staying calm on test day, being confident in yourself, having, I guess, the pride that you've taken enough practice and that you have the experience that you need to do well on the test. Yeah, your parents and your teachers know what they're saying when they tell you to take a good night of sleep and eat and do everything, normally and right the day of the test. The first test I took, I didn't eat a very good breakfast, and it doesn't seem like a big deal, but it does affect you psychologically to some extent.